So if we want to create a role is kind of different from a user. So if you are bringing in a user, you can say that you want to make that user a sales rep or a sales manager. And it is possible that more than one user belongs to a role. So if you have more than one manager, you can be able to create a role called CEO or a role called manager, and you can also be able to add that person or the different users to that role. So a role is actually just going to help you to determine what they can see in your CRM, like the records they can see. If you want each salesperson to see their own leads, you can set that up using roles. Or if you want the manager to see all of the leads in the team, you can also set that up. So to create a new role, you need to go into your security and control settings, and you need to click on roles and sharing. So when you click on that, as you can see, we have the business called we have the business called Glory Words, and we have this role which is the CEO. You can edit this if you want. And let's click on cancel. We have the manager, and after that you can also add in, okay, so you can also decide to add in a role, and when you click on new role, this is going to take you to this page where you can be able to add a role. So since we have the CEO, then we have the manager, we can then decide to add in maybe the sales rep, and the sales rep will be reporting to the manager. So it's just to help you create a hierarchy or an hierarchy in your business, where you can be able to create a string of roles and determine who is going to report to who. So this is going to also help if you are setting up various things in your CRM. You can decide that those people with a role should see a custom view. You can also decide that those people, some people in a role cannot edit some custom fields. So you can set this up. So you just determine who you want them to report to. You can say they should report to the manager or even the CEO. So you can also decide to allow them to share data with their peers. Then you can add in a description and just say something like, "This is the sales rep for the company. They are sales rep for the company, and they have access to maybe the deals. They have access to the contact, the leads." So just write in whatever description you want to add, and you click on save, and that is going to save these new rows. So after that, you can click on edit to edit this row. Then you can delete this role if you want. And as you can see, we have the place here where you can be able to associate a new user. So there is no user with this role, and that is because we do not have another user, so we cannot even associate someone to this role. But you can also go to your role list where you can be able to see all of the roles you currently have. So for the sales rep, you can even create another role, and you can make this role to report to the sales rep. So it's just to like create an hierarchy for your business so that you know who is reporting to who, and so you can be able to see the visual board of your business, the visual board of the role hierarchy in your business. Okay, so that is for that. If you're a small business owner and your team are currently using Zoho CRM and it is feeling overwhelming for them, or they do not know how to use Zoho CRM and they are trying their possible best ways to use it, but it is currently not working, we offer team training for your team, and we can be able to fix team training at your own convenience to be able to train your team on how to use Zoho CRM. So you can click on the link below to book your own team training, and we are going to create documentations, we are going to create how-to guides, we are going to create workflow guides and everything you need for your team to be able to understand Zoho CRM properly. Book your slots below and we'll help you with your team training. And also do not forget to like this video, also share this video to everyone out there who you think might need this video, and also please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because that will go a long way in helping us in this channel. And thank you so much guys, we will see you in our next video. Bye.